today I am collecting requests and questions from you. I would really appreciate it if you could comment down below with any requests for videos that you want to see on this channel this year. I'm going to be writing all of your requests down in my planner, and I will try to film as many as I can this year. It's really important that the content that I'm filming for this channel is both relevant to you and useful for you. So I think that the best way that we can do this is for me to get your input about what you want to see. The second thing that I'm collecting today are your questions for an upcoming Q&A video. In the past, we've talked about organization, time management, why I chose the Happy Planner piece, when is the best time to plan, how to use a planner, among several other topics, but your questions don't have to be planner related. So feel free to comment below with as many questions as you want, and I'll try to answer as many as I can in that video. Thank you so much for all of your kindness and support. I can't tell you how much I appreciate that you are taking the time to watch the videos and share them with your friends. You are helping to keep this channel going, and I really appreciate it. I also love when I get to chat with you in the comments or through emails because I love getting to know you better. In one of my polls, I found out that a lot of viewers are not receiving notifications when new videos are posted. So if that is you, please double check that you are subscribed to this channel and that your bell notifications are not just turned on, but they're set to all instead of personalized. If they're set to personalized, you won't be guaranteed to receive notifications. I also have a mailing list where I send out emails each time I post a new video, so if you want to sign up for that, I'll leave the link to that in the description down below, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!
You held me back when I tried to move on from your life, so you stole my life with clarity. So hold me back, now you're here, 'cause I'm mad.